Breathing should feel effortless, but for millions living with pulmonary diseases like asthma, COPD, chronic bronchitis, every breath can feel like work. Today, I'm walking alongside one man's moment. Short of breath on a simple walk, I'll show how a portable inhaler helps, and what you can do to protect your lungs. He slows down, shoulders rise, lips purse on the exhale. That's his body trying to move air through narrowed airways. He reaches for a metered dose inhaler, the pocket-sized kind many people carry. Here's the right way to use it. Shake the inhaler well. Remove the cap. Prime it if it's new or hasn't been used in a while as instructed. Breathe out fully, away from the inhaler. Empty lungs set you up for a deep inhale. Seal lips around the mouthpiece. Start a slow, deep breath in, and press the canister once as you inhale. Smooth and steady for about 3 to 5 seconds. Hold your breath up to 10 seconds, if you can, to let the medicine settle deep. Exhale gently. If you need a second puff, wait 30 to 60 seconds and repeat. Using a corticosteroid inhaler, rinse your mouth and spit after to prevent irritation. Check the dose counter. Keep the mouthpiece clean. Store it dry. A spacer can make this even easier and more effective. Now, prevention. You can't control everything, but you can stack the odds. Don't smoke. Avoid secondhand smoke. Avoid vaping aerosols. Keep vaccinations up to date. Flu, COVID-19, pneumonia where recommended. Fix leaks and mold. Use exhaust fans. Change filters. Ventilate when cooking or cleaning. Move your body most days. Pulmonary rehab. Paced walking builds endurance. Know your triggers. Cold air, dust, pet dander, strong scents. Plan around them. Follow your action plan. Carry your reliever inhaler. Breath by breath, small choices add up. With the right technique and habits, you can turn hard air days into manageable ones. You've got this, one steady inhale at a time.